Welcome in, Ohouse. My name is Annie, and this is my home. I'm from Taiwan originally, but I've lived in San Francisco for nearly 8 years now. Fell in love with the Russian Hill neighborhood, which is where I'm at now. I work in tech, just like about everyone else in San Francisco. My design style is a mix of a lot, and it really has evolved over time. I'd say Japandi, because I like the raw materials, minimalism, also mid-century. It's just a collection of things that I like, really. I love thrifting too. I love that feeling when you find something that you really like. At home, I care a lot about comfort and functions, and I do like to host a lot. One of my goals for having an apartment with my partner in the city is that I can have friends over for dinners or game nights. And I do feel like we've accomplished that, which I love.